Oh, hello everyone. Welcome back to the what was it? The Junkers D.1 build. It has actually stalled, but I'm going to try and crack on and complete it now instead of starting new things and then letting them stall and trying to work a bit better. This is kind of day one of lockdown in England due to the coronavirus. I've just got 2 days off work. I'm in a supply chain, so I'm not included in that, so I still have to go out and risk getting the coronavirus or spreading it. Maybe a few interruptions today, but I'll try and edit those out, as my son is also staying with me, but he's still got his classwork from school being set over the internet, much to his disgust. But so I expect you may hear him a couple of times today. Anyway, I thought we'd crack on. I don't know, I'll be honest, I've forgotten what I've recorded and what I haven't, so I thought I'd crack on with part of the engine assembly for the time being. So got part of it done. I have actually made some very tiny spark plugs for it, but I don't think I'm going to be making the leads for it. That's far too small. Anyway, let's see what we really need to do. We need to stick on, where we got to? Got to put on the pipes that are the leads for the spark plug leads, or going from the spark plugs to the magnetos. Okay, alright, these are some very delicate bits, so I'm going to try cutting them with this fine Tamiya sort. Let me put my other glasses on if I can find them. I have no idea where they are at the moment. Probably under my nose. There they are. Just realised I think I've cut the mount off of that, so let's just quickly glue that back together. It's not very clear, that. We'll cut those off there instead. Absolutely gorgeous day out. We've got to stay in. That's set. Right, there will be lots of silence, I'm afraid, guys. Need is part of the intake manifold. And the float poles. Problem is I can't remember what colour I use now to paint them. I'm sure I'm out of shot, so I'm going to adjust the camera. Excuse the wiggle, guys. That's a bit better. And that pops on there like that. Looks like that. Now how well this is stuck. So this enough to cut it off, and where they say, which is out there. That'll teach me to look. Should have put that on before the manifold. I'm sure I'll get it in. Yep. And there should be another pipe. It's a bit sturdier, so I use my cutters on that one. And then I've got to cut a bit of this off, but which end? Let's cut this bottom bit off, so snip it there. A bit of pre-gluing necessary, I think, for this bit. It shakes. And that, I believe, is more or less the engine finished. Bit of touch up for the paint, otherwise it's done. So I'll pause the camera there and I'll pick you up again a bit later. Cheers.